In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Age of Empires 2 in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for Az. There are two methods to do this, so let's go over the first one. Method 1. Open Google and search for Steam. Click on the first link to go to the Steam website. Once you're there, sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. After logging in, simply search for Age of Empires in the search bar. You'll see the game listed. Click on it. This is the fourth edition of Age of Empires. If you scroll down, you'll find all the versions of the game and their prices. You can easily purchase the game from there. Method 2. The second method is to use the Microsoft Store. Open the search bar and type Store. Then select the Microsoft Store. In the store, search for Age of Empires. You'll see different versions available. For example, if you open the fourth version, you'll see the price is $26. If you'd prefer, you can also play it with Game Pass. Click on the Game Pass option, and you'll be prompted to join the PC Game Pass for just $1. After signing in, you'll have access to the game in seconds. You can also choose to purchase it with a 33% discount. And that's it. You now know how to download Age of Empires 2 in just a few easy steps. If this is your last time watching, please make sure to subscribe for more tutorials in the future.